Yo, what up? I should have recorded the last passengers because people are all quiet, but then they'll start talking once you open up a little bit. And then we had a good conversation, but I didn't record it. Probably for the best because my girl wouldn't have liked what I had to say about what went down. But I only said facts, dude. I wasn't using anything against anyone. You know, it had to do with Shada, babe, if you're watching this video. But I was just letting them know to be careful, dude, if they're going to have kids. You know what I'm saying? It was a young couple. Picked them up from a bar. If you're gonna sin, at least get a ride home. I don't know if y'all know this or not, and look, there's circumstances, and I've done it too, but it's rude to make your driver wait for you. Okay, sweet. Okay, we got her. Yo, what's up?
Hello.
How you doing? Good, just doing my thing, driving around. Oh, you got the hiccups. Cool. You know the best trick for getting rid of the hiccups?
Holding your breath.
That could be a good one. Does it work for you?
It's all psychological. What does it really matter?
Ooh, it's all psychological. Okay.
Holding your breath, drinking water upside down.
Water upside down. Do you have to put yourself upside down or the water?
Yourself.
Let's go.
The funny thing is that yourself goes upside down and the water stays straight up.
Wow.
Right?
If you say so.
So.
You're funny.
No, I'm serious.
I believe you.
You take a glass of water, you keep it straight up, but you bend over and you drink it somewhat upside down.
I don't know who discovered this technique, but okay. They're like, what if it works? No, I believe you.
But quite literally what I'm saying is it's psychological.
Okay.
So it's all in your head.
Well, the only time I really get hiccups is when I eat something really spicy, but with liquid. So I think the hiccups are when you swallow a liquid and at the same time take a breath.
Makes sense.
But I'm not against your psychological theory. I'm not going to try to disprove it or anything. You're my passenger and the customer's always right, unless they're messing with me.
No, I get it. But you also can't simultaneously swallow and drink.
Actually, I used to get the hiccups like mad when I would vape. I would take a sip of water, then I'd vape. That's how I really got my theory together, because I was like, wait a second, dude. I never get the hiccups, ever, unless I eat something really spicy, like a really hot and spicy soup, like at a Chinese restaurant. But then I got addicted to vaping for a minute, and I quit, praise the Lord, dude, because only through God was I able to do that. But I used to go like, and then vape, and then I go, and I'd be like, what the heck is that, dude? And then I realized I'm drinking water and doing simultaneously, and you can. It's also how you get pneumonia. You can get liquid in your lungs.
Oh, for sure.
It's possible. And again, I'm not disagreeing with you at all, friend. I'm just having polite conversation. I hope you know that.
Oh, definitely.
How'd your night go? Sweet.
Yeah, went to work.
Oh, cool. You were working?
I went to work before I got to the bar.
Is it which entrance do I go in? This one up here?
Yes.
Okay.
And then the gate is 084.
Okay. That's cool. I hope you had a good day at work.
I did, yeah.
Sweet.
How was your day?
Yeah, it was good. No complaints here. Is there two gates or one gate? Do I put the gate code in right here?
Yes, right here.
Okay. And it's what now?
084.
Never seen a gate like this. I love it. No key, nothing. Just 084. Did it work? Oh, it calls? Okay, is that like your roomie? Do I go to the left? Are they just gonna open it for us? Yo, what up? How you doing?
I should have put it on speaker for you. It calls me.
Oh, it calls you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I said it was your roommate and you were playing me. You're funny. And I would have answered too. I'd have been like, I'm good. And I would have known it was me too. That's just how I do it. I'm not afraid to play along. All right, my friend, we are about to be there. You have a safe rest of your morning/night. Where do you want to be dropped off?
Just a little bit ahead.
Got you. Okay, this is good. Like where that path is, or on this side?
The path.
Okay, I got you. All right, you be safe, okay?
Thank you so much.
Yep. I go out the same way I came in, right?
You know,
Well, looks like I can go back out that way. I can
don't
go straight,
out
right?
The same way you came in. This right here is an exit.
Oh, you can get out that way?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna bounce out that way.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Yup, take care.